Let's see what happened to the pound today. Okay, so I have my trend line. Let me just delete all this for now. Now take a look what happened, okay? Let's go to 1 hour time frame. And you know, when you see this breakout here, a lot of traders are waiting for a retest. Now, you won't see a retest on this candle here, or you won't see a retest on this candle here as well, because look at the retest this all the way somewhere up here, but you don't want to be trading at this time because you wanted to take this trade. So if you want to trade in the morning and then in an afternoon, so you want to trade London session and you want to trade US session, this is what happens. So you got your London session, 8 o'clock in the morning. My broker is 2 hours ahead, as you may already know. So you scroll down to 5-minute time frame, okay guys? 5-minute time frame. Now, let's take a look. 5-minute time frame, and this is what happened, okay? This was early hours in the morning, Asian session, okay? Gets to 10 o'clock, right here. So 10 o'clock, you see a breakout, okay, at 10. You see a price pushing down. Now, on a 1 hour time frame, you just see a breakout, but you are not seeing a retest. Now, this is exactly what I want to explain to you. When you go down to a 5-minute time frame, you will see more noise, but you will see your retest. You will see a better entry. So all you have to do when you do your trades in the morning, mark out, go on to your MT4, and then mark out your zones like this, okay? So this was the Asia session where it finished. So when you see a breakout at 10 o'clock or 8 o'clock in the morning, basically it's 8 o'clock in the morning, 2 hours ahead, you see a breakout and then you are not taking any trades, you are waiting till around 10:45, 10:40, until it gives you that retest of this zone here. So what you can also do is draw a box that will cover even those little wicks, okay? Now, when you draw a box on those wicks, this is when you are waiting for your entry. So you see a rejection. You see that rejection candle. Your next candle that opened, if this is bearish, then you are potentially going down because there was already a breakout. So your stop loss will go above here. Okay, your stop loss will go to what, 23, 138, 139, somewhere around there. And your entry would have been here on this candle at 10:45, so 8:45 in the morning, which is 8:45. That's when fully London session is fully open. And then you would have taken a sell and you would have made a beautiful profit at the same time. So when you do that, ignore the rest and let it run, because this is your first entry. This is what happened. So you're aiming for at least 20 pips early hours in the morning, and then you don't do anything. You get out of the trade, and then you will see a price bouncing off this level. So consolidation always begins. Not always, but let's say 9 out of 10 times you will see this happening on a 5-minute time frame. On a higher time frame, you won't see as much. It's less noise on a higher time frame. But this is exactly what I'm trying to tell you. So once you reach this is when you are waiting for another retest of this breakout to see what's going to happen. Is it going to go up or is it going to go down? Now see this here? That's a beautiful fake out on a 5-minute time frame, but you still don't do anything. Then you're waiting for another trade. So gets to 3:30, which is 1:30 in the UK. It's 9:30 in the morning in America. In the States, US session fully opens. What you do then is you take another sell. You take another sell on a 5-minute time frame. Now, this was news at the same time. You got CPI news today, core news today. So when these prices matched, you enter for a sell. And then you just hold on to it, hold on to it, hold on to it, until you see something that is reversing. You know, if the market's reversing against you, then you just hold. You know, you don't do anything. But this is what I mean. You know, this will give you a beautiful, beautiful profit. But you could have exited the trade, say around here. There's your 40 pips done for the day. And this happens almost every single day. So let me go to another day. Let me go on to, say, Thursday, for example. Okay, a lot of noise on a 5-minute time frame, but all you have to do is look at your times and see what's happening. So this here is your Asian session. Your Asian session, you do the same thing. You know, during the Asian session, this is what's been going on till about 10 o'clock. Okay, so you mark out your zones here. So you do the same thing. Go here, put your put your lines here, and then you do the same thing. Okay, same thing. Asian session, we don't trade it, it's too slow. We are waiting until it hits our time frame. So our time frame and our session time, it's between 9 and half 10. So this is what you look out for. Again, wait for the price to do what it needs to do. This is your zone, this is your support, you got your resistance, and then you will wait. Okay, it breaks out, clears all the stop losses that people have down here, went back up. You still don't trade until it gets to what? It gets to 10 o'clock, you see a breakout, okay? See a breakout, and then 5 minutes later, it went back up to this zone here. So this is your entry zone. You would have entered, okay, somewhere around here for another sell. A lot of news, a lot of noise. Or you could have entered here. But same thing, you know. This is what you'll have to look out for. If you don't see it, you don't trade. Simple, you know. But this was today, which was Thursday today, the 12th of October. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. If you want to learn more, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. You know what